from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Oil futures prices settled slightly lower on Friday as investors weighed weaker US consumer sentiment against mounting hopes for a Federal Reserve rate cut in September. The dollar fell sharply against the yen for the second straight day, raising questions as to whether Japan was intervening, while a global equities index rose as investors turned their focus to US Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. The International Monetary Fund said gross capital inflows into emerging markets, excluding China, last year rose to $110 billion, or 0.6% of their economic output, the highest level since 2018.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production at 9 GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.